Hello again. This tutorial is to show how to join the hexagons from previous tutorials if you want to make a blanket. So it's just to show how to join each of the sides together. I try to make sure that I'm not joining two colours together that are the same. So once you've got the placement of where you want all your hexagons to be, you're ready to start to join them together. I'm using a double knit yarn and a 5mm hook. So to start, we need to join the yarn to the hook with a slip knot, like so. And then we're going to put the wrong sides together of the first two hexagons. And I'm going to join in between the two doubles with a 1 chain space in between, and the same with the one at the back. So I'm just going to join with a slip stitch, and now we're going to work in the back loop only of the two hexagons. So we've got a front loop here and a back loop, the back loop and the front loop from the one behind. So we're just going to pick up that first loop, pick up the back loop of the second hexagon, pull the yarn through, yarn over and work through both loops. Then we go on to the second stitch, where again we're going to pick up the two back loops, pull the yarn through, yarn over and through two. We'll carry on exactly the same all the way along. On these hexagons that I've done, you can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stitches. So we're going to do 9 single crochets, just working in those back loops. So pick up the two loops, being careful not to catch the front loop, pull through, yarn over and through two. You need to work this stitch quite loosely so that we've got no puckering of the hexagons. If you crochet very tight, it might be an idea to go up half a size of hook, just so that it keeps it nice and stretchy. So just carry on until we've worked the back loop only of all 9 stitches, and then in the corner where we've got the two doubles with a chain in between, we're going to go all the way through, pick up a loop and work the single. So we've now got a ridged row of stitching. So to join the next one, we'll just pick up the hexagon, lay them wrong sides together, and again we're going to go back into this corner, and we're going to then go into the corner of the next hexagon and work a single crochet. And then again we're going to do exactly the same, working in the back loops only. We're going to work 1 stitch in each of the stitches along, just working a single crochet in each of the back loops. So you can see here we're now joining the third hexagon. Just a single crochet in each of the stitches all the way along to where the corner stitch lies, and in that stitch we're always going to work a single all the way through into that one chain space. And then we'll join the next hexagon into this one that's sort of classed as the central one. So on this one you can either go up along to this corner, or you can go down along to this corner. Once you've connected quite a few together, you will then join the yarn with a slip stitch into the corner here, and then again just work exactly the same, working the 9 single crochets into the back loops of these stitches. I'll just show you that with a different colour, just so that you can see what it's going to turn out like. So we'll join with a slip knot onto the hook, pick up the work, and we're going to start in that first, in the first corner stitch there, and then work 1 single in each back loop of the 2 stitches that are sitting there back to back. So you carry on all the way along the row until you've connected all of your hexagons together. I'll just pull that loop up a little bit, and then to fasten off you would just thread the excess yarn through, and you can take it down and through. I mean, obviously it would be the same colour because I tend to do my the single crochets, I would do all in the same colour. So you can just take that yarn through to the other side and fasten it off so that you've got the nice neat edge. And that's all there is to it really. It's just a matter of, you know, lining up the hexagons in the order that you want them to be placed on your blanket, and then just join them together with a simple single crochet join, working obviously as far as you can go. You wouldn't only be doing 2 together at a time. You would wait until you've got all of your hexagons finished. So I hope this tutorial's been helpful. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.